Well, we're going to show you a fresh and clean way to dress up your staircase today on Jones Knows.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Alright, so here is the staircase. Now, I am not someone that likes to use Stairnose, so be sure to check out all of our other videos to show you how to eliminate the use of Stairnose. This is a laminate staircase, but the same thing would apply for a vinyl or even a wood. We've taken the side of all of the steps and we've just cut triangular pieces of the scrap laminate. Just the beauty of this, no extra material is necessary. The piece that falls off the ends when you cut it, we're using them on the side. You can see the top here where we haven't put the piece on. I've left this off so you can see the thickness of the laminate there. It's a pretty clean look, and it's going to be durable because it's going to clean off just like the laminate will. You know, where the white gets dirty sometimes and you have to repaint it. No repainting here. No painting necessary. It is a nice clean look, and if you have sides that you're not so proud of, that's a good way to finish off your staircase. Imagine this with our custom noses that are flush. Boy, that would really finish this off. All right, stop. Hold on a minute. Let me show you what this staircase could have looked like. This is how we do all of our staircases now, except for this one. Look at that, nice and flush. No overlapping. Everything matches. And no, it's not magic. It's what we call bent vinyl. We actually take the floor that you're using in the rest of your house and you want to use on your staircase, and we bend it to give you a nice 2-inch front. Now, if you want this on your staircase, drop us a line because we sell it. We can either buy the flooring you're using, or you can ship us your floor if it's hard to find, but we have access to pretty much every vinyl on the market. Well, at the end of the day, it's not my style of staircase, but guess what? Those side pieces really finish it off nicely. And I'd probably do that in the staircase if I didn't have white risers. So if you enjoyed this, be sure to check out all of our other content. We have lots of great videos just like this, laminate floors, vinyl floors, you name it. Plus we do product reviews, but we could use your help. YouTube doesn't promote our videos as much as they should, so please like, share, of course, and tell your friends and family. And if you already haven't, take out your favorite floor mount and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. Thanks for watching.